Ooh, can you hear that? That's your brakes begging for mercy. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you, but your brakes, yeah, they're probably giving you a bit of a heads up. Today, I'll show you how regular brake checks can save you from major headaches and maybe a few embarrassing noises. Your brake pads take all the heat when you stop. Without good brakes, stopping can be interesting, but you don't need to be a mechanic to spot the signs. Let me show you. So how do you know it's time for a brake check? Let's start with the obvious. Squeaking or squealing sounds? That high-pitched squeal is usually caused by the brake wear indicator when the brake pads are worn. Grinding? That means your pads are gone. And metal's hitting the rotor. Not good. If your steering wheel shakes when braking, your rotors might be warped. A soft brake pedal could be low fluid or air in the lines. Pulling to one side when braking, likely uneven pads or caliper issue. So, how often should you get your brakes inspected? Well, I recommend at least once a year, depending on how often you drive and how many times you like to hit those brakes a little harder than you should. There you have it. Regular brake inspections are a must. And if you're not sure about your brakes, swing by. We'll get you sorted. No fuss, no squeaks, just cruising like a Sunday drive to Pia.